Good morning to one and all. My name is Ramcharan Vishnuvardhan. I am studying in KLH University, CSC third year, and as part of my CACD project, I am going to perform uh, one project that is hosting a static website on S3 services in Amazon AWS and control the access using the IAM, and so that only specific users can upload or update the data, and also they can all the users can view in the public mode, so we can make it private again. Now this is my topic, and there are a few prerequisites like we need the AWS free tier account, and also I have already created three files, that is index.html, style.css, and error.html. These three files are our website project, so that we are going to host this website only. Now firstly we have to create an S3 bucket. So we have to, on the search bar in AWS homepage, we have to search for S3, and now uh, here we have to create a bucket. So it's a general purpose, and we have to give a name to the bucket. So I'm just giving it as my port RAM 2025. So this is the name I'm giving to my bucket, and now we have to uncheck this, and so that the all the public access are not blocked. Now we have to scroll down and check. Okay, but bucket versioning is not required. Okay, everything is correct. Now we can move on to the create bucket. We can create the bucket now. Okay, we have wait until the bucket is created. Yeah, now the bucket is successfully created. So here is our bucket, it's visible here. So we'll just click on it. We have to upload the three files that we have created in the before, in the Visual Studio Code. So we'll upload it here, add files, and we have to add these three files. uh, and now we have to press on upload. Now these three files are uploaded into the S3. Yeah, they are uploaded successfully. Now we will go back to the buckets, so that we have to now enable the static website hosting option, which is a key major, which plays a major role in making the S3 host the website. So we have to go down until we find this static website hosting option. So we have to edit it. We have to enable the static website. Now we have to click the host a static website. And now the two files that we have created, index.html, and another one is uh, error.html. Okay, now we have to click on the save changes. Now here we will get an endpoint website hosting link. Yeah, this is an. Now I'll copy and just will try to open the website. Here it's forbidden and it's showing that access is denied. So we have to now change the policies of the bucket. We have to allow anyone to access. No, I'm just saving it somewhere in the notepad, the website name, yeah, and so that I can easily open it. Now this is it. And now in the permissions I have to change the bucket policies here. Once I'll just recheck it that yeah, the public access isn't blocked. Now save changes. Okay, okay, just it's already in the off mode. Now I have to edit this bucket policy here. This is our bucket name, and now we have to make it in such a way that it can be accessed. I have already written a code in before. I am just copy pasting it here. So just to make the work easier. Just trying to save things. Well, it was sorry, I have to change the names of my bucket here. Sport around 2025. No, I'm just changing. Yeah, the edit bucket policy is successfully edited here. You can see it here. So now we will again try to open the website now. And let's see can it be able to access or not. Control. I'm just trying to open it. See if it opens. Yeah, the project is opening. Now the settings have been changed. Now the next step is we have to create an IAM user so that only that person can be able to edit or something like that. So I'm just creating a user here, clicking on IAM now, selecting the IAM option, and now on the left sidebar I have to select the users. So we have to create a user now. So I'm just creating a user and I'm giving the username as something like web uploader or something. Uploader. Now just clicking on next, and we have to attach the policies directly. So now we have to press on next. Now, now under the permission. Now we have to just create the user at present. The user is created here, web uploader. Now we have to create a custom IAM policy user. So I'm just selecting him again. Uh, there are no policies here. So we have to add permissions. Attach policies. S3 upload. Yeah, this I have already created in the previously. I'm just adding it on this and adding permissions. Yeah, now one policy is added here, so that only that person can access this. Now the next thing is that in the CLI I have to wait a second. I have to yeah, in the CLI now only that person has the access. So I'm just giving the IAM keys access for the user. So I have to first press this command IAM AWS configure. Uh, we have to give the key ID. 1 second. Just the mistake, I think so. Yeah, here security credentials. We will get the password and all. 1 second. Scroll to access keys. Yeah, we have to create the access keys for the particular, and in the command line interface we have to do it all. So I understand. Next. Now I'm just giving some description for this, like uh, create or something like that. Create S3. I'm just creating some access, and you will get the secret access key and the access key. Now I have to just put the access key here first. This is the access ID, and I'm just creating, and the secret access key is this. Uh, so I'm just putting it here, and now default region name is AP South 1, and it's JSON format. Now it's done, and if you want to check the current user, we have to press this command AWS STS get caller identity. Now this is the user that we have just given access to with the access ID and the secret access key that he has. So this is the current user, and he can only be uh, able to upload or do the changes. And this is how we can control the access of uploading files or holding accessing a static website and thus. and this is how a user can do. Thank you.